friends, I'm Courtney. Welcome to my channel. This is Sadie, and today I'm going to show you how to make a large wall mural using nothing but washi tape. So let's get started.
I already completed the main part of the mural previously, so today I'll be continuing the design to the bulkhead over my cabinets. In total, I used 4 rolls of washi tape. I recommend buying more than you think you'll need. I've linked the tape I've used in the description box below. To start this project, I looked up a reference image for peonies. I searched peony outline and used Google search and printed out some images. I'm outlining the larger details of the flower like the petals and the stem since I want those to be part of my wall design. Unless you have different sizes of tape, the smaller details can make the image look messy when we put it on the wall. While I'm doing flowers, this works for other images. You could do skylines, animals, really whatever you want. I recommend searching for reference images as outlines since this will make your design easier to replicate. One way to help with creating the image on the wall is by using the grid technique. Here you draw a 3x3 grid over your reference image and we'll match this to a 3x3 grid on the wall on a much larger scale. This helps keep proportions and details similar. If you're not very artsy, I highly recommend trying this technique. I prefer to go freehand. Here I've started with painter's tape highlighting the inside corners of the grid. If you're going to use the grid technique, go ahead and make the whole grid, just the corners can be confusing. I've placed the grid off-center because I want my flower to wrap around the wall just a little bit. If you want to see more detailed shots of me putting up the tape, skip ahead to about 6 minutes.
Alright guys, so I ran out of washi tape, so I just used some painter's tape to show you the rest of the outline of the last flower that I need to do. And this is how the other two flowers have turned out. So I'm going to order some more washi tape and finish this design, and then I will do the reveal.